Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a group video call on Telegram. First, open Telegram app. Next, on the top left corner of the app, tap the three bars, then tap new group so that you can create a new group. Right now, choose who you want to add to the group. Add as many as 200,000 contacts. Once you are done, put the group name, then tap the tick icon. Right now, your group has been created successfully. Remember that you could add up to 200,000 members to your group. Now, next is how to make a group video chat. To do that, tap on the group icon. Okay, tap on the group icon, and then at the top right corner of the app, you find the overflow button, those three dots. Tap on it, then tap start video chat. Now, on the next interface, you will have where you could choose how to be displayed in your video chat, either your name or the group name. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, I'm going to choose the group name. Then once you have chosen the group name, tap on start video chat. All right, so the moment you tap on the start video chat, this comes up. Right, so you could choose to only use your voice, all right, to make the call, or you could also choose to show your face. Okay, so tapping on the camera icon on the left will bring these options. Right, so you have three options. You could choose to show your phone screen. Okay, you could choose to use your front camera. You could as well choose to use the back camera. Either of these options are available. Okay, so if you choose your phone screen, that means you're going to record everything on your phone screen and share with your members, group members. The front camera is what shows your face, and then the back camera is what shows anything at the back of the camera of your phone. Right, so either of these options are available. So the moment you decide what you want to share with your group members, you now click on share video, and that will now show to all your all your group members who can see the video. All right, so that's how to do it. Right, all right, so it's as simple as that. When you're done with the video call, you can now end the call by clicking on this, tapping on this leaf icon on the right here. Tap on it. Right, so when you tap on it, it brings up this prompt. Say, are you sure you want to leave this video chat? Yeah, say tap end video chat and tap leave. So that's how to make a video call on Telegram, a group video call on Telegram. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.